Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 29th of August. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is the Ace of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. Person B, their first card is the King of Pentacles, the King of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. Now bottom of the deck I have the Seven of Cups, which means that either you or your person has a lot of options, and that could have created some kind of maybe a misunderstanding between the two of you. Now what I'm seeing from the first set of cards is you have the Ace of Pentacles, which means that you want to go ahead and start again. Maybe you're looking for a new beginning with this Ace of Pentacles, but there's something that is causing you stress, okay, because you feel a little backstabbed here with the Ten of Swords energy, and you feel that maybe your person has cheated you or betrayed you with something, and you want to get out of that energy and then move forward. And again you have this childlike energy with this Page of Pentacles, but that's a stable one because the Pentacles energy shows stability, and you will maybe start small with the same person or could be a totally different person, but eventually you will build on that relationship. Now person B here, they have the King of Pentacles, which means that this person has a lot of money, okay, they're doing financially well, and that could be a reason why there could be some kind of ego that this person has got into. There are times in life when you're doing really well, you don't value the other person, so that could have been one of these scenarios that may have happened. The other card that I see is this person is also having the King of Wands energy. Now King of Wands is again a very strong magnetic energy. This person is a go-getter, okay, and also very physically appealing. Maybe that's something that gets into your head that you're doing well for yourself, and you also look very good. So there could be a lot of people around this person, and that's why there's this ego boost that happens, right, where you don't value your person. So that could be again just one of these scenarios that this person has. As now what I'm seeing is that even though this person has the King of Pentacles and the King of Wands energy, whenever they are alone, okay, they're stressed out with this Nine of Swords, there's something that is not helping them out. It's just causing a lot of anxiety. They're not able to sleep properly in the night as well. Now let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. The first card that I see is the Justice card, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune. Now with the Justice card, if there was some kind of injustice that happened, okay, then that will be taken care of. Whatever was the injustice, it will be balanced, okay. If there was a legal case, then the verdict comes out in their favor. But if this person suffered some injustice, or if they went ahead and did something because of which you suffered, then the balance, the scales will be balanced, because when this card comes out, it means that whatever injustice happened, that will get corrected. Now the next two cards is the Queen of Pentacles and Wheel of Fortune. With that, it means that this person is focused on this one pentacle. They are very sure that this is the pentacle that they want, and with the Wheel of Fortune, they're waiting for things to change, okay, and that too positively in their direction. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards. The message that I see from the cards is show the world the real you. Now this is for some of you, okay, if this person is hiding something, okay, again if it is you or it's your person, but one person in this relationship is hiding their real face. Maybe there is a mask that needs to come out, okay, that's when you will see the real person, okay, and that's the message from the cards, that show the world the real you. If you are hiding something, or if this person is hiding something, then it's not going to work out in the long run. One day eventually it will come out, and that's when things will go downhill. Now let's quickly also see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Peacock Copper. The crystal message being, are you in touch with your magnificence? Find ways to bring more joy into your life. Be aware of the source of your emotional challenges or perceived blocks so that you can release them. Get in touch with your inner radiance and shine your light brightly. Now the message here from Archangel Sandalphon, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And till the next video, stay safe, love yourself.